country.
Yes, my country.
All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers, and elders, and I shall treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity along lies my happiness.